What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $1 every time you click. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, it really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions at all, any questions about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, please follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to get my followers up to 500 followers. I only have 290. And you can go to @AppGrind on Instagram and follow me, like all my posts, drop a comment, and you can put "get your grind on" so I know that you are one of the grind family members that watch my videos. Okay guys, also look for this code word that's going to pop up in this video, and it may pop up anywhere in this video, so you're going to have to watch the video all the way to the end to find this code and type it down in the comments below so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 5,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to the site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, family, I'm at this website, and the name of this website is Ojuwab. Now, to get to this website, you're going to have to type in wad.ojoo.com. So now I'm inside my account right now. So what you're going to be doing is getting paid to click on ads. And I have talked about a lot of websites that do the same thing, but this website is one of the best out there. That's why I went ahead and put this in this video so you can start making this money with this website. So again, I'm in my account and I'm going to show you around a little bit, see what you're going to get yourself into. All right, now right here, this shows how many clicks. This is a brand new account, so I don't have any clicks right now. Direct referrals, rented referrals, total referrals. So you're going to be getting paid for referrals too. So when your referrals click, you're going to get paid money too. And let's see here. Let me go ahead and show you how it works. So I'm going to click so I can view an ad right quick. So I'm going to click up here at the top where it says paid to click ads. It's going to take you to this page here. And as you can see, there are some ads. So if you click all these ads, but let's go ahead and just click one. So it's going to take you to this ad right here. And all you got to do is click down here where it says OK. view it for some seconds, and you should get some points, and you should get paid for that. It's going to pop up in your balance on this website. And as you can see, it doesn't show how much you'll make anymore. So you just have to go here and click on there for 5 seconds and you'll get paid. Now I know that's a low amount of money, but if you click all these for just 5 seconds, you're going to get $1 real quick and easy. So basically that's how this works. It's real easy, but let me go ahead and show you some other offers so you can make, if you get tired of just looking at ads, you can do other things on here. So I'm gonna go to offer and go to offer Turo, and as you can see right here, on here you earn points. So if you click right here, you're playing games, you're gonna earn points. Here's the mobile apps. So you click on the mobile apps, you earn points. This is one click. You just click one time, you get points. And here's some surveys. You click on here, complete the survey, and you get some more points. As you can see over here, 208, 104. And let me show you one other thing, guys, that be interesting to you. Okay, referrals. So like what I said earlier about referrals, so you got direct referrals. Again, this is a new account, I don't have anything in there, but you're gonna have several different type of referrals. You have direct referrals, rented referrals, and here's the referral tools, and here's the statistics. So when you go there, it's gonna show you all the statistics of your referrals and everything. So basically that's it, guys. It's just a straightforward site where you just get paid to click and you can make some pretty good money. You're not going to make a whole lot of money. You're not going to get rich, but you can make some nice little side money. And you can use that side money to invest in other businesses like e-commerce and build your app, which I can show you how to do. So that's it, guys. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making this easy money, just clicking on ads, go ahead and go to OJOO. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right, but OJOOO.com. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I've talked about today in this video. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, Grind family, thank you for everything. I appreciate you guys' support. Keep watching. I'm going to keep dropping this content. One more thing. I have a podcast show. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. The link will be in the description and in the comment section. Go ahead and check out my show. Listen to it and share it everywhere. And subscribe to my channel under the same name, Hustle, Grind, and Grow TV. Go over there, watch my videos, share all my videos, and help me grow that channel as well. Okay, guys, thanks again. Really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys. And make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. Have a good day and peace.
Get your grind